Let's say you spend a lot of energy, build a great voice control lighting Arduino project at home. To test it, you say, "Okay Google, turn light 1 on."
Sure, light 1 on.
Within seconds, the desk lamp turned on. That's for sure, since you're connected to home Wi-Fi AP and your password and SSID are hard-coded in Arduino, so everything worked perfectly. How about if you take your project to a friend's house, you connect your project and say, "Okay Google, turn light 1 on."
Sure, light 1 on.
But nothing would happen because your Wi-Fi Arduino doesn't know the SSID and password. So what should we do? Do not hardcode SSID and password in your Arduino Wi-Fi board anymore. Use Wifimanager instead. Let's see how this can help you in a better way. From Tools, select Manager Library. In space here, type Wifimanager to search. Arduino IDE will filter keywords with Wifimanager. Scroll down until you find a Wifimanager by author Zaboo. The current version 0.14. Just click and install. OK, install completed. Click Close. Next, let's get a Wifimanager code example from Files, Example. Scroll down and find Wifimanager. Let's open Auto Connect in a new window. In the Auto Connect code, let's not make any change and upload this code directly to a Node MCU to understand how it worked. Now let me compile and upload this code to my Node MCU. Compile sketch. This will take a while depending on your computer configuration. You can see the progress bar is showing here. It's uploading. The flashing LED indicates the program is uploading. Let's wait until upload complete. OK, upload completed. Let's look at the Arduino serial port. Right now, it says using last saved values should be faster. Since this is a new Node MCU and I haven't set anything to it, in the program code, there's neither Wi-Fi SSID nor password setting. The Auto Connect AP is the AP name that you could define yourself. Let's see the serial monitor. Node MCU now acts as a Wi-Fi AP named Auto Connect AP and waiting for Wi-Fi client connection. As I said, this Node MCU is now in Wi-Fi AP mode with IP address 192.168.4.1. What I need to do now is to input this IP address in a browser, either a smartphone or a computer. Let me enter this IP address into my smartphone browser. Type IP here, 192.168.4. Whoops, I forgot to connect my phone to Node MCU Wi-Fi Auto Connect AP first. Swipe down and click Wi-Fi symbol. And then click Auto Connect AP from available Wi-Fi list. OK, it's connected to Auto Connect AP. The Wifimanager AP page will show up on your smartphone now. On this page, let's click Configure Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi Manager will scan adjacent available Wi-Fi AP and show them here. Let me click my home Wi-Fi AP named StoneZ24. Let me type in Wi-Fi password. Password entered and click Save. It shows credential saved. Let's look here. Node MCU will now connect to StoneZ24 AP automatically. Okay, connection result shows connected. Great, we have connected Node MCU to StoneZ24 AP. In the future, when you visit a new place or venue, there's no need to hardcode SSID or password in Arduino code. Let me reset Node MCU here. See? It automatically connected to our network. That's great. Thank you for watching this Wi-Fi Manager tutorial. If you like it, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos coming in the future. Bye.